Hey everybody, welcome back. What we have here is the Cuisinart bread machine, and today I decided to try it out and make some honey oatmeal bread. So anyways, it's quite interesting. You just throw everything in there that it comes with a recipe book, and it starts kneading it. Right here you're seeing it's kneading it the first time, then it rises, then it kneads it again. Now, the time you're seeing 2:36 there. That's how much longer it's left in the process. Here it's kneading it for the third time, and then it will rise again, and then it will bake it. Takes about 3 hours, and have to tell you, this came out so good, and it will just keep it warm in there until you're ready to eat it. So we pulled it out, sliced a couple slices, put butter on it. It was delicious. It was just slightly sweet, but there's nothing like fresh bread. So hopefully I'll do some more experimenting and see what other breads I can come up with. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everybody. Hope you're enjoying your weekend, and we'll talk soon. Bye.